What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of OPPO Reno 2. It comes with 16 megapixel front facing camera and it is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. For videos we got time lapse, bokeh effect, some filters along with the beautification mode. This is how the bokeh effect of OPPO Reno 2 front facing camera looks. You can even customize the level of bokeh. Right now it's at 60%. You can go as high as 100 or as low as 0. It's totally up to you. For pictures we got HDR, portrait mode, panorama along with some filters. The portrait mode comes with various beautification options along with the bokeh effect. And the LED flash is available for both pictures and videos for the front facing camera. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use OPPO Reno 2 for taking selfies or videos from its front facing camera, so how good or bad will be the quality. So just a quick demo of the front facing camera capability of OPPO Reno 2. So that's all for now friends. A detailed camera review of OPPO Reno 2 will be uploaded very soon, so do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.